for 1 hour, what do you charge?
Give you only 300 baht.
Ah, that's a good price. Maybe tomorrow I come.
Oh, today better.
That's what they all say.
500, but they give you only 300.
Ah.
Okay.
Hey, Vern.
So I'm thinking maybe the port is down here. Look at this boat, guys. This is great. I love it. Look at that. Look at the motor on that thing. It's just crazy. What do you think that is on there? It's like a car engine. Yeah, it seems to be a good price. I may do that today. So he wants 350. The other guy was 500. So I'm not sure where these boats would take you. These ferry boats when things are running. I'm not sure how long these boats have been docked. Maybe some time, unfortunately. Hopefully things can get back to normal because having everything sit is not good for anything. Now, we did say it was a holiday today, so maybe that could be why everything's kind of slowed down here. Look at that. It looks like out of a magazine. That's crazy. That is just crazy. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna get something cold to drink, and I think I'm gonna run up the river today. I think we're gonna do that because I'm gonna meet some other vloggers tomorrow. I will get something here. It looks good enough for me. I'm gonna take this boat out for 350. We're gonna take this out, this long-tail boat. So
Because normally 500, but no people. Yeah, I give
okay.
you good price.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. All right, you guys. So check it out. Interesting. Very interesting. So there's one of the motors up close right here. What is that? Maybe a Mitsubishi or Toyota or something. I don't recognize it at all. Interesting. It's made for the water, so it's water cooled, obviously. Very cool, you guys. Yeah, I only dreamed of being on something like this. Look at this, like something out of the Flintstones. Daddy, I'm home. This is just unreal. Guys, that's a freaking giant. That's not a real human being right there. Not a normal sized human being. Now, where did the skull of that thing go?